This project is a commitment by the Samoa College class of 91-94. It's been 24 years since we left the college, but we continue to assist the principal and management in any projects, especially to the infrastructure to support the current generations that do come through Samoa College. The current project is just a refurbishment of one of the science labs, and what we've done is we've renovated the facility. We've improved or provided new gas fittings and the burners. We've looked at the water system, and we've improved on the electrical plugs, and also just some cupboards. We've done a little bit of carpentry work around, and we are aiming that this facility will be useful for the science students that are educated at Samoa College. The total cost of this project is 19,970 tala, and we hope this will assist the principal and management in upgrading and upskilling the science students within Samoa College.